years to 9th century China. Since then, generations young and old lay down their true colors in a variety of games, each as unique as the traditional 52-card deck and as timeless as the 4 famous suits. Whatever the hand, a winning combination of technical features makes these playing cards durable and cheater-proof. Industrial humidifiers control the moisture level of the cardstock. This prevents the cardboard from drying out and warping. Technicians regularly monitor the cardboard's temperature and humidity by inserting a flat probe 4 inches from the top of the 3,000-sheet stack. Cardstock arrives from the paper mill ready-made, 2 layers of cardboard bonded with colored glue. This construction makes the playing cards impossible to see through. Before making printing plates, a technician checks the artwork for the deck, then prints out a low-resolution sample to confirm the sequence and layout are correct. There's absolutely no room for error, so she carefully double-checks every card for suit, sequence, color, and layout. A signature on this sticker confirms these cards are good for print. The next step is to make a digital proof. This printer's internal laser heat transfers dots of colored foils onto a clear film. These dots perfectly reproduce the content and color of each card. Next, a laminating machine bonds the exposed films onto a sheet of the same cardboard used to make the cards. This produces a printed proof showing exactly what the finished playing cards will look like. Here, graphic artists adapt hand drawings of the face cards, adding color and a touch of regal class wherever needed. The next step is to make the printing plates. A computer-guided laser etches the design into the polymer surface of the printing plate. Entirely automated, this machine produces 30 plates an hour. To set up for a print run, workers pour several cans of thick cyan ink into the ink duct. The 3 other colors, same setup. When the printing press gets rolling, each fountain will disperse ink evenly via 16 rollers. Feeders transport the cardboard sheets one by one into the press. Each printing plate is mounted on a rotating drum. Rollers transfer the ink onto the plate, which then transfer onto a rubber blanket, which presses against the passing cardboard as it moves through the press. At the end of the machine, the printed sheet is flattened and stacked. They feed the same sheets back through the press, this time upside down. The sheets now move through a cutting machine called the combi, where rotating blades divide the sheet into columns, then into individual cards. The cards get grouped into decks. Then the deck heads into what they call the cornering station. A die descends and in one fell swoop cuts off all 4 corners. Next, a robotic arm nudges each deck onto a conveyor destined for the cello wrapper. Grippers pull a cellophane reel downwards, while a knife then cuts the film. A heated bar descends and seals the film, which forms an envelope. With a simple pull, the red tear strip removes the wrapper. The traditional English deck is the international standard for games such as poker. But there are many more types of playing cards. This set of Spanish cards, for example, has no numbers, just symbols. Whether at the casino blackjack table or the kitchen table, playing cards are the real deal.